Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you on your request how to make Boulette chouchou or chayotte dumplings. There's few names that people call it and you can just name it, but this is a recipe that you guys wanted for so long. And so for the ingredient I'm using 2 large chayotte, ground black pepper, salt. I'm using Himalaya salt, just use regular salt. Just a little bit of chili flakes, optional, topioca powder, chopped green onion. And here is the thing, I'm using cooked shrimp, like little baby shrimp, but you can normally this Boulette, this chayotte dumpling made with dry shrimp, but I really don't like dry shrimp at all. I don't like it, I don't eat it, so I'm using this little baby cooked shrimp. And this is going to blend into paste. I'm going to go blend this into paste. Don't add anything, just blend it as is. If you're like me, you don't eat dry shrimp, then this is a recipe for you. And so for the chayotte, I'm going to peel it and grate the chayotte, and then we're gonna move forward. I have already peeled my chayotte, grate them, and they're ready to go over here. And also I have blend my shrimp. So now for the chayotte, I'm using this is just a cheesecloth. You can use just by hand, just to squeeze all the water from the chayotte. This is very important. Try to remove all the excess water from it. And now I'm going to transfer the chayotte into this bowl. So first thing, I'm going to add the shrimp. I didn't add all of the shrimp that was in the bowl. I add just half of it because this is just to chayotte and it will be a little too much. And then I'm going to add salt, pepper. I love black pepper powder. And then chili flakes is just optional. Topioca. Actually the topioca I'm gonna add half for now, and then if I need more I'm gonna add more. Chopped green onion. I'm using a little bit of sesame oil instead. You can use soya sauce if you don't want to use sesame oil. So this has to be just a little bit, like a little drop, because sesame oil, it is way too strong, but it gives the dish a little nice flavor. So now I'm going to mix everything together. In a minute I'm just going to switch by hand, but for now let's just mix everything. Add the rest of the tapioca. And now that everything has come together, and now you can start creating the little balls. Again, size depend on you. And then just get a tray ready on a side, and we're just gonna set these. We really are like almost done. This is like that much easy to make. I got my steamer ready. My water is preheating, and try to arrange these dumpling. I got 12 in total. Oh sorry, I got 15. I got 15 in total, again depending on the size that you want to make yours. And now we are ready. Let's go and put this dumpling to cook, and then I'll show you when it's ready. Okay guys, in my Boulette chouchou or the chayotte dumpling was cooking for 12 minutes, and now all the water dry and the dumpling are ready. And I would like to just wait before I move them. Okay guys, Boulette chouchou is ready to serve, but it's a little hot right now. I don't want to move it from this steamer pan. As soon as this the Boulette gets like cold, like warm, like set at room temperature, then you can transfer it to a plate. Don't forget to check my channel Cuisine Laila for more recipes and ingredients for this Boulette recipe for this chayotte dumpling will be in the description box down below. I can't wait to go dig into this, and I'm gonna leave you guys right now, and I will see you next time. Bye.